Good everybody, welcome back to my channel. So let's do a 736 licks on F sharp. Yeah, so I'm going to do it on F also for my guys that plays on F and probably on C2. So a 736 on F sharp major scale, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F and F sharp. Yeah, okay. So my 7, 7, 3, 6, that's F, B flat, and D sharp or E flat. So my 7 is going to be like this. It's going to be like a dominant chord or a tritone. So 7, that is F, A, and D sharp. Then 3, my 3 will be like a dominant chord, a full one. I can also make it something like a tritone when I do the roots. 7, 3, 6. So my 7 can be like a major 7th chord, F sharp major 7th inversion. Or you just play the number 6. Yeah. So 7, 3, 6 or 7, 3, 6. Yeah, the number 6. Okay, so the licks is like this. Simple. So simple. The lick is very simple. So la mi re, so la sa mi re do la so la sa mi re do la so re mi fa mi re do ti la si ti re di do. So let me slow it down. C sharp, D sharp, C sharp, B flat, A flat, F sharp, E flat, C sharp, A flat, B flat, B flat, A flat, F sharp, F, E flat, then D, F, A flat, G, and G sharp. Simple. That is it. So this time is going to be on 7. Then the 3. That's the 3. Then the 6 now. So if you play ruthless chord here at 6, it makes sense to me better than this. So this is the number 6, which is still good, but I prefer this. Yeah. Okay, so we are singing a song like this. Reason why I lift my hands, why I lift my voice, why I sing to you. You are the reason why my life today, today. So because of you. Then this part, 7, 3, you are the reason, today. So this part. So let's sing this song again. Why I sing to you. Then you can play. You are the reason why my life today. So because of you, you are the reason. Okay. So let's go to F. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button. If you are learning something from this channel, no matter how little it is, please hit on the subscribe button and also like the video. You can also share for me, comments. Thank you so very much. If you have any requests, please put it in the comment section. Thank you. God bless you. So let's go to F. So my F, the 7 is going to be like this on F. That is F major scale, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So E, G sharp, and D. That's 7. Then the 3 is going to be like this. Still like this is a dominant chord. Yeah, you can just play it like this. You can play it like this. There's another form of playing it, but let's do it this way. So on the 7, the lick. C, D, C, A, G, F, D, C. then G, A, B flat, A, G, F, E, D, D flat, E, G flat, and F. And so la so mi re do la so re mi fa mi re do ti la si ti re di do. So on 7. That's on 7. Then oh yeah, the 6 here. The rootless chord, that's F major 7th, or just a normal 6. That is D minor 7th. So yeah, that's it on the 6. So you are the reason why I lift my hands, why I lift my voice, why I sing to you. You are the reason why I'm alive today, why I die today. So because of you, there's the 7. You are the reason for this, why I'm alive today, why I die today, why I die. That's it. So let's go to C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So I'm just going to spell out the notes. G, A, G, E, D, C, A, G, then D, E, F, E, D, C, B, A flat, B, D, D flat, C. Yeah, so the 7 is going to be like this: B, D sharp, and A. That's the 7th. Then the C, the 3, E dominant, E, G sharp, B, and D. Then 6, a major 7th chord, C major 7th. That's G, B, C, E, or just play 8 minor 7th. Yeah, that's 6 minor 7th. So okay, 7, 3, then 6. So that is it. All right, have a nice time with this.